on, gang? Matt from Matt's Red Show here. Today we're at Druk Auto Sales in kind of near Elk River, kind of near Anoka, Ramsey, Minnesota area, if you're familiar with the area anyway. It's a cool little classic car dealership here. It's not a huge one, but usually they got a lot of fun stuff in there. So I'm excited to head in there and see what we can dig up today, guys. So thanks for clicking that button. Let's get in there and let's snoop around. I love doing this, and I love snooping around at some of the smaller dealerships actually too, because you never know what you're going to find, and a lot of times they'll have something really cool in there. Last time I was here, they had some pretty cool rare cars. So I don't know what we'll find yet, but we'll get in there, take a look, guys. So let's go snoop. Let's do this. Thanks for clicking on that button. Here we go. Alright, before we head inside here, got an old Chevy truck out here. That's kind of cool. I believe this is up on their website. And old Chevy truck there. And looky here. Got an old Mercury Monterey here. Needs a little work, got a little patina on her. Yeah, see, this is kind of fun because 7,980, you know, that ain't bad. You know, it's in fairly decent condition here. It's kind of what I like about coming to some of these smaller places. You know, you can actually afford some of the cars you're going to see today. All right, talked to the guys, made sure it was okay. It is. So let's head in. Let's check out some cars. They got about 4 different garages. Nice. Alright, we'll just start over here. Start making our way around. Got a 1928 Cadillac LaSalle here. Looks like they're asking $48 for this. So they've got some cards on some of them here. I'll try to film that for you guys too. Nice little rumble seat in the back here. Yeah, this is in great condition here. The spoke wheels, love that. Oh, this thing's awesome. Nice. That's pretty awesome. Got a nice 66 Mustang here. Beautiful. 289. Nice 4-speed. Dude, this is a nice Mustang. Got a nice 2004 Dodge Viper here. It's pretty nice. How much are they asking for that? There you go, 49. Right in the front door here, they got a 66 Ford Thunderbird. Really cool year. At least I think so. In my humble opinion, I like this year. That ain't bad. Look at the spoke tires, or the wheels, I mean. love the way these look from behind. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Very cool. Let's take a look at this Mercury wagon over here. Look at this thing. Look at the headlight covers on this. This is insane. Gotta protect them headlights at all costs. Look at that. It's like a vinyl. Look at that vinyl texture, kind of a. That's really cool. 78 Mercury Marquis. 1240. Oh, that ain't bad. This would be kind of a fun car to have. I'm not gonna lie, this would be kind of fun. An old four-door family car. A big old bench seat. That is a styling wagon right there. Here's a 77 Oldsmobile Toronado. See, I mean, look how that's very that's not expensive at all compared to what I'm used to seeing, so it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. You can afford to look. Here's a 68 Chevy Biscayne. Here's a 47 Ford Super Deluxe. There's a 74 Ford Ranchero. Like it's in pretty good shape.
She said it will convince that said that the second auto was under the seat. He said there was going to be cameras for Thunderbird.
Man, the old Ford steering wheel. I remember that cruise control like that. I had an old Ford Bronco 85. Reminds me of that.
Why did that?
Nice vinyl here inside. There's a 69 Chevy Impala. It's convertible. It's nice. Yeah, pretty nice shape.
Actually, I like that with that stripe.
There's that 85 Chevy C10. Here's a 68 Ford Mustang.
Sure. Oh, it's a lake that.
Really nice. Nice in there. It's a good looking Mustang. Solid. Nice. We're gonna head to the next garage back here. Got all the lights on for me, they said. That's awesome. Nice, an old Edsel right there. Oh, look at this. Nice. Is that an old Torino back there? There's a Torino back there. Look at this. This is fun. Yeah. Got some nice cars here. Old 75 Caddy here. The old 75 Cadillac Eldorado. Boat. Yeah, let's take a look here. I love the way all these car doors sound when you open them. Look at the CD. Look at that. The old CD radio. Gotta love that sound, right? Here's a 59 Edsel Corsair. Look at that. Old Edsels. A lot nicer than the gosh, out at French Lake Auto Parts, big classic car salvage yard I was just at this fall. They had like 8 of these things just out there rusting away. Parts cars. If you're in need of parts for one of these, but this one's in much better shape. She's got a little patina on her, but even still. Looks like they got a Corvette crashed through the wall here. Yeah, let's take a look at this inside here. It's so cool that they're just like, yeah, go ahead, open all the doors. Check out the cars, get in there. Here we go. 50, 59, 10, 9. See, man, the prices on these things are not bad at all. I mean, granted, you know, some of the paint jobs need a little work, the engines here and there, whatever, but the prices seem to be pretty reasonable here. Why do you think the Edsels failed at Ford? Do you think the grill was the issue, or was it something else? I don't know. It's an interesting story, the old Edsels. Look at this, an old Buick, 1924 Buick, a little Roadster. Little key. A few extra parts in the old rumble seat back here. A couple of spare tires. Look at that little foot pad. These are cool, man. It's got some nice wood on the convertible top here. Shoot, this thing is awesome. There you go. A little info. 28.9. Yeah, look at those indicator lights. That's cool. Corvette here. I'm not sure what's going on with this Corvette, if it's for sale or not. Looks like it's been modified a little bit. Got the T-tops on. Is this a 70? It's a pretty good looking bed, actually. That maroon looks really sharp on it. I like that. I think this is for sale. I think it's a 75. 75 Corvette here. Got another Thunderbird here. You can see that, but it says a 63 Ford Thunderbird, and it's going for 11.4. It's not bad. Here's a 69 Pontiac Firebird. Here's a 69 Ford Mustang. Interior looks really nice. Yeah, it's a nice Mustang. Right next to a Studebaker Avanti. Appears to be about a early 60s model. Not quite sure, maybe we can find that out. I guess 63. Oh, there's the thing. Yeah, 63. They're moving some cars around back here. I heard him talking. Sounds like the Torino has been sold. So, it's been sold. Let's check this out first. There's an old Pontiac here. 31 Pontiac. Man, this is nice. There. Another big old Cadillac Eldorado here. here pretty good too. Yeah. See, I saw the sheet on it in here. Let's see, I don't want to open this door too far. Massive doors. What do we got here? 13.9. 77. Here we are. Man, the sound of old cars, the car doors closing, it's just great too. Everything about them. This a 49 Buick Super. It's only $7,000. It's incredible. I love the windshield protectors on these things. Visor, I don't know what the official name is for those actually. Here we go, 49 Buick Super. There you go. A little info. There you go. A little patina here and there. For 7.9. Yeah. You know, a few things here and there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. The Fulton traffic light finder. So back in the day, traffic lights must not have been as easy to see, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. If you get in the driver's perspective and you're looking at that, I'm not sure. Someone give me more information in the comments about these things. Was it just to kind of magnify the traffic lights up ahead? I don't know. Never gets old. Please do not touch this one. Okay, we won't touch this one. 58 Buick Roadmaster. This is nice. I saw one of these at one of the shows I was just at recently. A really nice one out on the road too. These are cool vehicles, man. Buick Roadmaster. It's got a nail head. That's cool. Look at this thing, man. I think it's amazing. Well, not new, but well kept anyway. Maybe new. Oh. All right, final car in this garage is a Imperial here, it looks like. So let's check this out. Incredible. Look at this interior. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. The blue and white and black. Oh, it looks so good. Man, this is incredible. Let's see what the card says. Oops, little patina there. What does the card say there? We got a 56. What's it say? We are 56 Imperial. 19.9. Not too shabby. Look at this Imperial. Right when you get in. Oh man, this is incredible. Solid. Alright, let's see what we got back here. An old Mustang here. There's a Torino. Oh man, look at there. Whew. Fun stuff back here. Yeah, got a few cars they're servicing here. Of course, I think they serve them all here. Get them ready to go. I think I heard them talking. I think they just sold this Torino here. Not sure how much it was going for, but it's nice. I can see how they sold it. At least I think they said they did. Look at this Oldsmobile Super 88 here. This thing is really nice. This might be the nicest, in my opinion, the nicest car they've got here. Looky there. Man, this is nice. Wow. Got the white walls with the red. Shoot. I don't know if they want me to be touching this car or not, so I'm just gonna go ahead and not touch it. But man, this is nice. What's this here? Oh, this is the information hanging out of it. There we go. Oldsmobile. They're asking 30. Not too bad. How many miles around this thing? 79. Okay. This is a nice car though. Really great shape. a 71 Ford Torino. They're asking 34, I think, for it. And like I said, I think I just heard them talking that they just sold it, but I'm not positive. Got an old Buick here they're working on, looks like. Not sure any info on that. Maybe you can find it on their website, not sure. Just keep coming back to this Oldsmobile 88 though. The thing is awesome. Looks like they got an old Riviera right here. Look at that. At the back of these things. Love the lines on these, how it kind of flows right into the rest of the car there. That's just cool. Yeah. Cool. Well, I think that about wraps it up here, guys. All the cars that we've seen. Not sure what they got on the lift there, or I mean the asking price and everything for it. Maybe I can find it on their website and put the info there on the screen. Not sure what we've got up here. Limited. And she beat up a little bit. That's alright. You're fixed up. Limited. Well, I think that's gonna about wrap this episode up. So this was cool. I want to say thanks to the guys for letting me come out here and check the place out. You can call them up to find out more information about any of these cars, or check out their website, of course. But yeah, this was fun. I enjoyed myself. Nice little car dealership here. Alrighty, gang, well that's going to about wrap up this episode. Like I said, they do have a website and phone number and all that kind of stuff. So the guys are in there right now, and they're on the computers. They're looking up cars. They're looking up deals. They're always looking for fun cars in that place. So you never know what you're going to find. There's been a couple times I've been in there when, like I've said, there's been quite a few interesting rare cars. So call them up, because I don't know if they got everything that they have on their website or not. So call them up. Anyways, they're selling lots of cars here, guys, so I appreciate you watching this episode. So do give it a like, subscribe, share the video for me if you can. If you call the guys here, if you're interested in any of the cars, tell them Matt's Rad Show sent you. If you want, you don't have to, but do give this episode a thumbs up for me, guys. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna travel on down the road. We'll see you on the next episode. Okay, bye.